Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of year again. It's Valentine's Day coming up very shortly. So in this video we're gonna do some epic Valentine's Day nails. So I asked my girl Latina Nail Designs to choose a design for me, and she did, and she really pulled through because this set is perfect for Valentine's Day. So I don't want to waste any time, and let's get right into it, guys. Okay, so I decided on these tips for the set of press-ons because I think they'll be perfect. They're just long tapered squares. These are available on Temu and Shein. They're really cheap, and I think they're probably, I don't know, they range from like $3 to $6, and you get 240 pieces in here. So I already have my sizes written out, so I'm just gonna take out enough right now for one hand. And you're also gonna need a press-on stand, and then we're gonna just buff them up. I'm gonna use this buffer right here. Use whatever you have. We're gonna buff them up, get the dust off of them, and also file the little tab off the top, and then we're gonna get started. These are what they look like. Hopefully you can see them. They're super long and they're perfect. So yes, I just wanted to give you a close-up on these nails. I don't like to stick them on the stands before I buff them up when they're this long because, you know, the putty is not the best. I need something better. If you have any recommendations for sticking press-ons to the stands, definitely let me know down below. But when I do buff like super long nails on the stands, I find that they fall off and it just gets annoying. So I like to buff them first, and then I'm gonna put them on. Obviously do this however you like to do it. This is just how my little steps. And we want these really, really straight and square. And I'm just gonna do the rest. Okay, so we got them on there. They're all prepped and ready to go. I'm actually not going to use a base coat because as long as you buff them up, you really don't need a base coat. And it's honestly just faster, and if I don't need one, why would I use one? So if you haven't seen my latest video where I swatched all my polishes, I did swatch all my polishes, and now I have everything nicely set up on rings. So I was able to pick a color very easily, and I will leave that video linked down below in the description in case you missed it or in case you're interested. But for my base color, I chose this Saviland olive brown jelly polish, and I'm just gonna do one coat, I think, on every finger. I might end up mixing in another lighter nude depending on how this looks. No, I think it's perfect. I think I'll probably just need to do 2 coats. Yeah, actually I think this color is perfect going by the inspo pick. So that's nice. So how are you guys? Are you excited for Valentine's Day? If you're watching this video, are you gonna do Valentine's Day nails? I'm definitely gonna wear these for Valentine's Day. I know they're gonna come out epic. This is a design I wouldn't usually pick, so I'm really glad that Latina Nail Designs picked this one out for me, kind of taking me out of my comfort zone, and they're super cute. I hope I do the picture and Latina justice. I hope you like this girl. And also, if you are not subscribed to her, like I said, I will be linking her channel down below. I highly recommend that you go check her out and subscribe. I really love her content, and she's super sweet. which is always a plus, I say. So after I finish this, obviously I'm going to cure, and we're going to decide if we want a second coat or not. This is my lamp. It is from Amazon. It's really good. I think it's 120 watt. I can also leave that link down below if you're interested. And I'm just gonna wait for this to cure, and we'll be back. Okay, so we cured that. The inspo picture is actually a little bit more taupey of a base color, but I'm pretty happy with this. So honestly, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I have my inspo picture on my computer to the side so I can keep looking at it. So we're gonna start by doing the pointer and the ring finger. They do have a white French tip, so I'm gonna want to start with that. I'm gonna take my Saviland painting gel and a little nail art brush, and we're going to do a French tip on those two fingers. I'm gonna start out with this one and see how it goes. I know it's easier to paint on a matte surface, but I don't want to bulk up the nails if I don't have to. So I'm just making my smile line as best as I can. I'm going to get a white, and I'm going to use a regular white. I'm going to switch to this. I'm just more used to working with, oh my god, this type of brush. So that's what I'm going to do. I kind of wish, it doesn't really show the phone in the picture, but it doesn't appear to be a French tip. But I kind of wish it was. Is that bad if I make it wrong? That looks okay. I don't usually do this. I'm surprised it wasn't more of a fail. I definitely need more practice with French tips. But hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? For this, and then I'm gonna do a second coat. So I pulled out a bunch of colors, thanks again to my swatch sticks. If you want to see that video, again, it's going to be linked below. So I pulled out a bunch of colors that I'm going to use for the tiny hearts, and I'm just going to put them in this little palette while I wait for that to cure. There we go. That's ready when it's time. Okay, they look pretty good. Let's do the second coat. Okay, so we're ready to start. I hope this turns out well. I'm going to do my best to do what the picture shows, but I'm also going to take some creative liberties. So let's get started. I have a dotting tool, and I am going to start on the ring finger. I'm gonna flash cure that for a sec because I don't want them to get messed up. They're definitely not as exact as the picture, but I mean, I feel like you definitely can tell they're hearts, right? Let's cure that. Oh, and just so you know, off camera, when I'm cleaning off my brush, I'm just using some regular nail polish remover just to get the gel off in between colors and wiping it on a paper towel. We're gonna start on the other ones. I'm taking some of this baby pink on this long liner brush, and I'm gonna start with the pinky. And then I'm going to switch out to the actual bottle to fill it in. and on the other finger it's opposite. So I'm gonna cut a line right here and do the same thing. And since these are not painting gels, I'm gonna have to do probably a second coat. What do you guys think about the like talking real time versus oh my god, I can never speak because I'm trying really hard to focus and not mess up. Versus a voiceover. Let me know. So for the thumb, I'm just gonna do it like that. I don't know. But let me know. Do you like voiceovers? Do you like real-time talking? I'm just wondering what you prefer. Let's give that a cure. I hope it doesn't bubble or anything because I'll be so sad. These are coming out so cute. I can't believe it. I can't wait to wear these for Valentine's Day. I am, obviously I have nails on right now, so I'm not going to be able to put them on for the video, but you will get the full effect. And just now, I will be wearing these on Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna do the other hand off camera because you don't need to see me repeat the same process again. I mean, like, what's the point? So yeah. Oh my god, these are coming out so cute. I honestly didn't think I could pull this off. So now we're gonna still be taking our same liner brush and we are gonna make some stripes with the purple, the yellow, and the turquoise color. So I'm gonna start with the purple. And let's see. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to cure it. So I got more coffee. Guys, I drink probably like, oh, I don't even want to tell you how many cups of coffee a day, but it's so good. What are you gonna do? Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, let's do the rest of the purple, and then I can clean my brush off and do the other colors. I really didn't think I was gonna be able to do this. Oh my god, they're so cute. So we're gonna finish up with the lines, doing yellow and then moving on to the turquoise blue. So when I'm doing this, I'm coating my brush like this. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but that's what I'm doing. Ah, so cute. Time to cure. while we're waiting for that to cure, what you're gonna need is to top coat everything. I'm gonna be applying my gems with this builder gel because I'm trying to finish it up. And I picked through and I thought that these ABS rhinestones looked a lot like the picture, so I took out some of those. Actually, I think I need a few more just to be safe. And then out of this organizer, which I also have quite a few videos on me organizing this, there we go. I took these because they look a lot like the ABS rhinestones in the picture. I had to use a little bit of creative liberty. You'll see. The rhinestones. I need my little pen. But first, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Where'd it go? Okay. The nails do have a little bit of gold on them. I'm really happy with the way this looks. There is a line of gold in the picture running through here, but I'm not gonna do that because these are too cute right now and I know I'm gonna mess them up. So by the cuticle of the heart ones, there's a tiny bit of gold. So I'm just gonna take this and add a tiny bit, and then we're gonna top coat. Just a tiny bit of something. So I'm gonna cure this again, top coat, and then we will put the gems on. Oh my god, guys, look at these. I am so thrilled with how these turned out. They're so cute. I can't wait to wear these for Valentine's Day. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Latina Nail Designs, for choosing this design for me and pushing me out of my comfort zone. I really didn't think that I could do all that line work. And I did. I love them. If you made it this far, definitely consider subscribing for more nail videos. I upload all the time. I'm also really active on the community tab, so yeah, if you enjoyed, please subscribe, please give me a like, and I will see you in the next one.